morning, students. Welcome to the class of computers. Open your Adobe Photoshop books. Students, in the last class, we people have discussed spot healing brush tool, healing brush, and patch tool. And in the class of today, we will cover page number 19 till 20. And we will discuss red eye tool, brush tool, and color replacement tool. So students, open your books at the page number 19. First topic, we are having red eye tool. What is red eye tool? Red eye tool removes red eye in flash photos of the people. Means sometime when in our family photographs, when we click it, sometime red color spot is coming in our eye because of any flashlight and all. If we want to remove it, we can do with the help of red eye tool. To know more about the red eye tool, let us do its practical. For that, we will open Adobe Photoshop. I will place one picture which is having red eye. File menu, place. I will select this picture and place option. Now see, in this image, the eyes of the lady are red. Now I want to remove this red spot from the eyes. For that, I will place my picture. I will do its edit contents so that I can make changes in the image. Here, we are having the red eye tool. See, this is the red eye tool. With the red eye, we can set the pupil size. If I want to make it more, less, I can make the darken mode, like how much black or grayish color of the eyes I want. After that, selecting these two options, I will come to the eyes part of the pupil of the eye. Now see, when I'll click over there, see the difference. Now the eyes become darken and the red eye is removed. Clear, students? Now we will discuss its steps. Steps to use red eye tool. First step, click on Start button, All Program, Adobe Photoshop CS3. Place the image, click on the red eye tool, select the required options as I have chosen from the red eye, size and the darken mode. Whatever the option you require, you can choose that. After that, click on the area of the eye and the red eye will be removed. Next topic, we are having brush tool. What is brush tool? Brush tool paints the brush stroke. Like on the canvas with the brush, we are doing the different types of drawing strokes. We can write with the brush while doing the painting. We can draw anything. That work we can do with the help of brush tool. Now let us do its practical. I will open Adobe Photoshop. I will take new area for working. Now see, here I have the brush tool. See, this is the brush tool. I can choose any color from this color palette, and let's suppose I'll choose this. Click on OK. Now this opacity makes the color darker, or you can say lighter. If I'll make it lighter, it will draw like this. I'll do Ctrl Z. If I'll make it 100%, it will make my color dark. Let's suppose I will write something with the brush strokes. I will write Holly by holding and dragging the mouse. We can draw anything with the brush, like the same as we have done in the MS Paint or in the Tux Paint. We can draw anything. We can make freehand drawing whatever we need, we can do with the help of this brush tool. I have written Holly heart. Clear, students? Now let us discuss its steps. Steps to use brush tool. Click on Start button. All program Adobe Photoshop CS3. Select brush tool. Choose the required options and hold and drag the mouse. Clear, students? Next topic we are having color replacement tool. Color replacement tool simplifies replacing specific color in your image. As from the word replacement, it is clear that we can replace the color of the image according to our requirement. Now, let us do the practical of color replacement tool. For that, we will open Adobe Photoshop. Now I will place any image. Let's suppose this time I will place this image and click on place. Now double click, right click on the layer of the image and edit content so that I can make changes. Now students, here is a color replacement tool. When I click on this color replacement tool, I have different options on the option bar. I have to select the required brush size, hardness, spacing and all. After that, I can choose any color mode. Then from the sampling option, I have different options. Like first option, I have that is continuous. What is continuous? Continuous samples and replace color continuously as you drag your mouse. Next option we have that is sampling once. If we first click on the color in the area, it is replaced with the targeted color. Next we are having background swatch. What is the use of background swatch? Background swatch replaces color only in area containing the current background color. As per our requirement, I can choose any option from them. Then we are having limits. From the limits, first option we are having contiguous. What is contiguous? It replaces the color of adjacent pixel containing the sample color. Next we are having discontiguous. Discontiguous replaces the color of the pixel containing the sample color whether or not they are adjacent. Now next we are having tolerance. As we have discussed in the different tools, the tolerance is for the strict about the colors. Tolerance percentage refer to the range of the color. I can increase or decrease the tolerance according to my requirement. Next we are having anti-alias. Anti-alias refers to slightly soften the edges of the sampled area. According to our requirement, we can choose the required options from there. Then let's suppose I am having this color. I choose this one, this shade. I click over there. Now when I hold and drag the mouse over the image, now see the difference. The color is replaced. Now see this time. This way. In this way we can replace the color. Now I will choose the next color for you. Let's suppose this time I choose this little bit blue tone. Now see, when I hold and drag the mouse, color is replaced with the little blue shade. According to our requirement, we can replace the color. Now see, let's suppose I will take little pink color. In this way, we can replace the color of our image according to our requirement. Clear, students? Now, let us discuss the steps of color replacement tool. Steps to use color replacement tool. First step, click on Start button, All Program, Adobe Photoshop CS3. Select the color replacement tool. Choose the required options from the option bar like the sampling option, limit option, tolerance percentage, anti-alias according to our requirement. Then hold and drag the mouse over the image. Clear, students? In this way we can replace the color of the image according to our requirement. Students, in the class of today we people have discussed red eye tool, brush tool and color replacement tool. Hope you understood the class of today. Do the practical of these tools with the help of school links. Thank you so much.